project ChainBreaker, which aims for two things. Firstly, it is to record the lending borrowing records in a tamper-proof, transparent, and decentralized manner. And the second, free the users from extra debt. So, we start by connecting our wallets and making transactions to each other. There are three of us, and let's assume that we decided to record our past debts using ChainBreaker. Maga lended Nikita $123, Nikita lended me $456, and I lended Maga $789. To do this, we make a send request to smart contract, and the smart contract asks for confirmation from the peer. This prevents fraud. So both parties have to confirm in order for the debt to be stored in the blockchain. As you can see, you can enter the message, the due date, the tip. We will explain why would you input a tip. So as you can see in the history page, there are tabs, all withdrawals, deposits, where you can observe and track all the transactions and borrowing lending that happened. You can add new contact and names. When I described you the debt borrowing process of us three, maybe you could have noticed that there is a circuit, a debt chain, and if we all agree, then we actually can free ourselves from some amount of debt. In the UI, we will have a feature for this. So let's wait a bit until all the confirmations happen. So now all of us will allow debt clearing, which will allow another entities, which are called the circuit builders, who anyone actually can become, to clean up our debts. They will reduce the amount of debts by the minimum amount of debt possible. So the builder comes to the play, and once click run builder, the operation in the blockchain in the smart contract will happen, and some amount will be subtracted from all of the debts of each of the users. He is motivated to do so by the tips given by the users who wants to free themselves from debt by being included in the next circuit. And the more transactions you make, the many people you involve, there is the more probability that your debts will be resolved, which makes our application more community driven. As you can see in the history, all of them got $100 subtracted from their debts. Thank you very much.